Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NC Rizal Properties. Okay, we're here in Antipolo. Right? This is 12.8 million pesos po. 12.8 million. So, cash or bank financing, pwede. So, yung parking space natin, tandem parking. This is good for two, I think. Two carport vehicle. Ikutin ko muna ha. Then dito is yung ating service area. And maid's quarter. Yeah, maid's quarter. And meron siyang sariling bathroom area. Okay? Tara. Balik ako sa harapan. Pakita ko muna parking space natin. Aga. Time check, 7 a.m. Pero ganito na kainit. Alright, so bago ka pumasok ng main door, meron kang space. So dito ako pumasok kanina sa ating pedestrian gate. Okay? So tara. So upon entering, an open layout po. Living and dining area. Right? Living and dining area. Actually, very common or basic lang po yung layout. Then dito, merong kitchen area. Access dun sa ating service area. Itong pintuan na to. Okay? So, ito yung ating kitchen area. So, dito, itong space na to is, I believe, for a refrigerator po yan. Space yan for refrigerator. Right? Okay, then meron kayong sliding door dyan. Access dun sa ating parking space. Again, ito yung space natin. Ground floor. Okay. Nandito ako sa dining area. Then nandun is yung pagpasok mo na main door, yung ating living area. And then, actually para siyang pa letter L. Ayan, ito yung kitchen area. Then on this side, meron po tayong bedroom dito sa ground floor. Pwede po ito, senior room or guest room. Pwede. Ayan, kung napapansin nyo, may naka-installed na po na dito, split type na aircon. Okay? So, ito yung space. And with built-in cabinet na rin po ito. Right? So, built-in cabinet. Then, dito sa ilan ng hagdan, kung mapapansin nyo, yung bintuan na yan is common naman po na ginagawang storage room po yung ating, yung ibaba ng hagdan. Okay? Then, meron tayong common toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. Ito siya. So, pwede itong bedroom dito for a senior room since katabi lang naman po yung toilet and bath. Common toilet and bath. Okay? Proceed tayo sa second floor. So this second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So obviously, yung isang toilet and bath is nasa master's bedroom. So first bedroom, open ko lang. May naka-install din na split type aircon. So, ang hula ko, baka lahat meron. Hula ko pa lang. Then tayo, ang nasa likuran po na itong property is yung main road na galing dun sa may, yung yung clubhouse. Ayan, may mga nagbabasketball. Okay, so yung clubhouse natin, may swimming pool. So, meron siyang adult and for kids. Okay? So, ganun po yung clubhouse natin. May clubhouse, may playground. So yung isa sa maganda dito sa subdivision, and 24/7 gated and well guarded po yung subdivision natin. Okay? Again, we're here in Antipolo. Malapit po tayo, siya po ay sa Antipolo, right? So common toilet and bath dito sa ating second floor. Then ito yung second bedroom. Same lang, doon sa first bedroom natin, meron din siyang built-in cabinet. Okay? And a split type aircon. Sa video, hindi ko alam, baka mukhang maliit, pero kung ako'y tatanungin nyo, enough naman po yung space for bedroom. Adult bedroom, enough space po yan. Okay, and then this is your master's bedroom or your primary bedroom. So pakita ko muna yung space. Then meron siyang toilet and bath, pero mamaya ako na pupuntahan. Meron siyang small balcony po dito. Okay? Yan. Then, ito yung kanyang sariling toilet and bath with walk-in closet. Okay? So, ito yung kanyang walk-in closet. And, yung toilet and bath. Ayun, yung hinahanap ko. Akala ko kasi yung master's bedroom pa yung walang naka-installed na, meron pala, ayan. So may naka-installed lahat ng bedrooms natin, may naka-installed na po na split type na aircon, right? Grabe, init na, no? Past 7 a.m. pa lang. Okay. So again, review tayo. We're here in Antipolo. Malapit tayo Shopwise, Robinson Homes. Okay. To be exact, we're here inside St. Judith Executive. Okay, St. Judith Executive po. So napakaganda ng subdivision. 24/7, gated and well guarded. Hindi talaga basta-basta makakapasok, promise. May clubhouse tayo dito, ang ganda ng community. Yung clubhouse natin, may swimming pool na dalawa for kids and adult. Merong basketball court, merong playground. Alright? So pag may mga event kayo, hindi na kayo mamroblema. Yan na lang po yung i-rent nyo. Yung amenity dito sa loob ng St. Judith Hills. Okay? And apakaganda ng community, sinabi ko na kanina. Tahimik po, maaliwalas yung community dito sa St. Judith. Alright, price natin, 12.8 million po, cash or bank financing, pwede. Ako po yung magpa-process, ako yung mag-a-assist sa inyo. So, may ilang katanungan lang ako if ever po na interested kayo. Alright? So, message lang kayo, nandito yung number ko sa screen. Message lang po para ma-assist ko kayo. Alright? So, that's it. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.